Hello! Welcome to TAT in 10 video, one in a series of videos designed as training for newer users and as a refresher for others. Today, we'll talk about creating a new TA coordination. The purpose of the new TA coordination entry is to better delineate between what is delivered directly to lead agencies versus the work required to prepare the delivery of the TA. The following OCC-approved definitions will be used to assist the user in determining when to create a new TA coordination entry as opposed to a TA-delivered entry. TA coordination. The process of organizing and bringing together the right combination of expertise, such as national centers, OCC staff, and regional offices for planning of TA. TA delivered. Any interaction with the lead agency or its representatives by meeting in person or virtually, phone, or email. A TA coordination entry can be created from its related list on either a TA activity or TA event. To create a new TA coordination on either a TA activity or TA event, scroll down and click the TA Coordination tab. Then, click the New button. The form begins with a general section composed of the following fields. Number. This field is read-only and automatically populates with the ID number of the TA coordination entry. Coordination date. Date and time of the coordination entry. Title. Use this field to provide the TA coordination with a concise yet descriptive title. Description. Use this field to provide details on how the TA coordination addresses the TA need from the TA activity or TA event. And coordination types. Click on the lock symbol, then click on the magnifying glass. A new window will pop up. From the drop-down menu, label the types of coordination involved. Now let's review the fields in the Staffing tab. Primary Center. Click on the magnifying glass and select the primary center of the TA coordination. Participating centers. Click on the lock symbol, then click on the magnifying glass. A new window will pop up. From the drop-down menu, specify centers other than the primary involved with the coordination. Primary Center Staff. Use this field to specify the primary center staff user that should be assigned to the TA coordination. Participating Staff. Using the same instructions as before, add any additional staff participating on the TA coordination. Other participators. Using the same instructions as before, add other participators not already listed on the TA coordination. Other participator details. Use this field to specify details on the other participators listed. Now, let's review the Notes tab. Case Notes. Use this field to track the day-to-day work that goes into coordination for a state, territory, or tribe. Click the paperclip icon to add attachments to this TA coordination. Use the Submit button to submit the TA coordination. Once submitted, this TA coordination can be associated with other TA activities and TA events by clicking on the New button in the TA coordination linkages related list. Add activities and/or events to the TA activities and TA events fields to add them to the TA coordination. Then click the Submit button. To remove a linkage, check the linkage record from the related list on the TA coordination. Then select the Delete button from the Actions on Selected Rows drop-down. Then click the Delete button to remove the linkage. This has been a TAT in 10 video, one in a series of videos designed as training for newer users and as a refresher for others.